Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be reviewing another mic that I've recently gotten, which is the HyperX Solocast. I gotten this mic because I recently got a YouTube engagement. I think you've seen it over my channel. It's the first time doing a voiceover video, therefore I need a mic. Given that this mic which I'm using right now, it connects the Boya mic, right? The Boya mic connects to my iPhone through Lightning, and it doesn't connect to my MacBook. So if I were to do it a voiceover, then I have to use my phone. That's a lot of, because currently the workflow is that you use OBS, the broadcasting system software. So you select the screen, then you select a mic. Of course, the MacBook has a mic, but then I needed something which is clearer. Therefore, I gotten the HyperX Solocast. It is also affordable for the price range that I was looking for. For starters, I got this here in Canada or at Best Buy. I think it was on sale. It was 59 Canadian dollars plus 13% tax for where I'm at in Ontario, and some environmental fees of maybe 30 cents to $1. So yeah, so using it, setting up and using the mic is pretty easy, right? So the box, it's a huge box to house the mic. But what's in the box is that it just has the mic and the USB-A to USB-C cable. Funnily, the USB-C plugs to the back of this mic, and then the USB-A plugs to the computer. It's all and well if your computer still has a USB-A port. But I've been using a Mac for years, and Mac has transitioned to a full USB-C or Thunderbolt ports. Therefore, the dongle life, right? Therefore, I need to plug it USB-A to the dongle. Dongle goes into my computer. Of course, the dongle carries my second screen. It carries the power as well. So although I have three ports actually, but I'm effectively only using one port. Anyways, back to the mic, right? Like it says, it's plug and play. The top here has a touch sensor where you can mute. So if I and we are back on again. How do you pronounce this? Cardioid polar pattern. I think it's those mics where they were saying that it only fetches the most sound from the front of the mic. Anything that comes behind the mic, it doesn't pick up that much sound. I think most of all the mic review videos, they do the same thing, right? So if now it's facing me, it's getting some good audio. So if I turn it away, and I think you can still hear me. It's just like it picks up way lesser, right? So when I started streaming, started doing videos with voiceover, the one thing that I always forget is to put on earphones, because as little as sound picks up from the back, sometimes when things that are playing on speaker, it still may pick up some sound. It may create some echo. So that's why now I realize why all of them, they wear a headset. So the computer sound, the game sound goes through the earphones. It doesn't mess with the whatever that's happening with the mic, so that it picks up your voice clearly without any issues, right? Okay, adding it to OBS is also very simple. It's just to press the plus button, audio capture, select the device that you want, which is HyperX Solocast. Sorry, it's all pretty much straightforward. It detects automatically. This thing, of course, is also adjustable. The height is adjustable. Right. It has a hole at the bottom where you can screw it to a mic stand, which I did not get one at the moment. I feel, although as much as it is a bit in my way in this kind of setup, it works for me for now doing my videos. So that's great. Yeah, like it says here. Oh no, the mic is actually detached. Then the mic comes in one piece. Although it says here the microphone, USB-C cable, and microphone stand, and a startup guide. So it's so easy, right? I don't have much to say about it. It just works, right? Like it says up front here. It works with OBS, PS5, PC, Mac, you name it, it works. I think it's for the streamer live, right? Twitch or whatsoever. A podcast live, anything that you need it to be. I'm gonna switch in between audio channel. So maybe part of the video you'll be listening on what we are listening from the Boya mic, and you can see the review for my Boya mic review video somewhere here, and you can also hear what's going on with the HyperX Solocast. I keep saying it wrongly. Lucky it's not a paid video, right? I'll transition the sounds between the both then throughout the video. Hopefully you can get a sense of how the sound is for you. I think it's a good mic to get for starters if you have a limited budget, because okay, in Canada it's below 100. I think back in Malaysia or anywhere else in Asia it's slightly above. I was also actually looking at the what I call it, the Razer Mini or something like that. But I've seen a few review videos online prior to getting it. They compare it side by side, the HyperX and the Razer Mini. I think the Mini wasn't as loud as the HyperX, also because the HyperX is taller and it's adjustable. The Mini, I think, if I don't remember wrong, it's just a very basic mic stand. I mean, if you have a setup that works for you, then it's fine. But I have no regrets getting this one. I'm pretty happy with it so far. Very little headache, and it serves me well. And it's somewhat sponsored by my YouTube engagement, so I'm pretty happy about it. And I think that's all for the video. This is a quick review, nothing much. It's all pretty straightforward. I think if you go through different review videos, they'll be comparing with different brands, which I think it will help you as well, because what I'm comparing here for you is only this mic and the Boya mic, which is attached right here. Alright, before ending the video, I've restarted the recording to give you a feel of how it is recording with the iPhone mic right now, comparing it to what you have been listening, the clip mic and the HyperX Solocast. I hope this review has been helpful for you. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gadget reviews. And I also have some living in Canada vlogs that I would like to share my journey with you guys. I hope you look into it as well. With that, I'll see you in the next video.